See, second question mein we have AC is a diameter of a circle with center O. BD is perpendicular to AC. BD and AC, as you can see on the diagram, it is perpendicular to each other. You have to write down the angles PQR in terms of X. You have to write all angles in terms of X, where X is over here. So let us start with angle X is at a center. So it lies in the arc AB. Another angle which lies on the same arc is angle ACB. So we can say angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. So angle AOB is X is 2 times Q. So Q is equal to X upon 2 degree. First part is clear with everyone?
Sir.
Is it right now? Clear. Just show expression, that's all. Everyone had understood Q? Okay, fine. Now we are talking about, sorry, we had done Q. So we will write in Q part. Q is X by 2 degree. Now what we will do R. How can we do R? See, if angle AOB is X, so then angle BOC will become 180 minus X. Linear pair. Now BOC is formed in arc BC. This arc. So which other angle is formed in that same arc? Angle BDC. So here we can say angle BOC is twice angle BDC. So BOC is 180 minus X is equal to 2 times R. So R is equal to 180 minus X upon 2. So separating that, you will get 90 by 2. Sorry, 90 minus X by 2 degree. You can write in this format. This is the simplest format. 180 by 2 minus X by 2. Is there any doubt in this second part? Now we want P. So for that, first I can write this as 90 degree. If you will see, this is again Q. If you can see, angle ACB and angle ADB are equal angle in a same segment. You can see in a blue line, it's in the segment AB. So this is again Q, but Q is what? X by 2. So if we consider a triangle, if we consider this triangle, in that I can get P is equal to what I can get? We can get P plus X by 2 plus 90 is equal to 180. So P is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus X by 2. So we can write it P as 90 minus X by 2 degree. Is this part clear totally? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chalo, next question is fifth. In the given figure, there is some question error. Instead of AB, you have to write AE. In textbook, it is misprint as AB. It is AE. In place of AB, you have to write AE. AE is a diameter of a circle. AE is a diameter of a circle. Write down the numerical value of ABC plus angle CDE. So what you have to do, you have to draw BC. In this, first we will draw BE. You can draw BE. Okay. Now after drawing BE, what we will get? if we consider a triangle, if we consider this triangle, I can write this angle as 90 degree. So first I will write angle ABE is equal to 90 degree. First part is clear. Those who are missing something now, they can join next batch. Barabar. That is at 7:45. You can understand whatever sum is left in that batch. See, now we know angle B and angle D will become 180 if you add both of them, because BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. Whichever the green one you can see it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So I can say angle CBE, that is this angle, plus angle CDE, that is this angle, 180 degree. Now I want angle ABC. Angle ABC is what? It's the addition of these two angles. Can you see? ABC is the addition of angle ABE plus angle CBE. So I can add both results. This is my first result. This is my second result. If we add both of them, what I will get? Angle ABE, left hand side will be added to left hand side, CBE plus angle CDE, which is equal to 90 plus 180. If you add both of them, this part, you will get ABC plus CDE is equal to 270 degree. Any doubt in this part?
सर
Yes.
सर आप एक बार ये समझा सकते हैं कि सेमी सर्कल में कभी होता है 90 डिग्री एक एंगल?
When you have diameter, one of the side should be diameter. AE, see, AE is a diameter. Now, whenever any
हाँ.
angle inscribed in a diameter is 90 degree. For
मतलब
example,
दोनों साइड डायमीटर होना चाहिए या एक ही साइड?
those side means diameter is only one single
अच्छा, हाँ,
diameter
हाँ.
ना AE. इसमें side कहाँ से आई? Which side you are talking about? Diameter is a single line which passes through the center. Any line which passes through the center is termed as diameter. Clear? Any doubt in these two questions?
No, sir.
Now seventh question is quite simple. In a given circle, AB is a diameter. See Shrey here. AB is a diameter. I will draw diameter with green pen. Here you can understand your concepts. AB is a diameter. Now any angle inscribed on the circle from A and B is 90 degrees. See, A and B say we have angle as ADB. This green angle is angle inscribed in a semicircle. So I can write this as 90 degree. Which angle I can write as 90? Is
समझा
this
सर.
clear? Now since this is 30, which angle is 30? Angle ACD is 30 degree. This 30 degree angle is formed in the arc AD. Clear? It is formed in the arc AD. So which other angle you can get in arc AD?
ABD.
ABD. Yes. So now ABD is also 30 degree. But we want X. So X is the part of a triangle ABD. It is the part of this triangle. So we can say angle sum property of triangle X X plus 30 plus 90 is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 120. X is equal to 60 degree. Any doubt in this part? Which part? Who wants? Name? Jinay. See, first we can say AB is the diameter. What is AB? AB is a diameter. We want X. So it is given in question, it is given AB is a diameter. So any angle inscribed in a diameter is 90 degree because it forms a semicircle. First part is clear, 90 wala.
Yes.
First part is clear. Then we can say angle ACD is equal to angle ABD. Both are 30 degree because angle in a same segment are equal. You can see it is a segment, it is in segment AD. Can you see that?
सर हम
Now
A को भी 90 डिग्री ले सकते हैं.
A को नहीं, A and B से जो सर्कल पे फॉर्म होता है वो 90 होता है. ओके
सर तो CD भी diameter ही हुआ ना अगर A
Who
भी
told?
diameter है तो.
Is there anything they had mentioned in the this question? होगा मत बोलो. If they had mentioned and if it is passing through the center, then it is. They had not told that E is the center of the circle. They had told, is there any clarification in the question? If it is not, you cannot take anything. Okay? अगर वो CD diameter होता तो ये angle 90 होता, but it is not. So we cannot say angle DAC is 90 degree. ठीक है? Any other doubt? Do not assume anything unless and until is given. See, now next question, you have to read question and according to that you have to answer that. And this question, the student who had done similarity will only understand this question. Rest will not understand because here we have concepts of similarity. So those who had not done similarity, do not bother me, Baraba, by asking, can you explain me similarity? I cannot explain similarity ka concept here. Okay, so for that you have to understand similarity, and that is why I had already uploaded 2 videos of similarity last week. Okay, chalo, we will do. I will explain that this question.
सर ये थर्ड फोर्थ और सिक्स्थ सम नहीं करना है.
हो गए. थर्ड फोर्थ आई थिंक सो होमवर्क दिया था मैंने. Who had asked
हाँ
me
सर,
this?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर, हाँ सर, याद है.
स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने डिस्कस किया था ये. सी क्वेश्चन में क्या है पहले, द सर्कल विद सेंटर O एंड AB एज अ डायमीटर. जस्ट गो लाइन बाय लाइन. फिर सब पूरा होने के बाद इफ यू पीपल विल टेल मी वापस एक्सप्लेन कर दो तो मुझे पूरा वापस करना पड़ेगा. तो वन स्टेप पे वी विल फोकस. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल फोकस ऑन AB एज अ डायमीटर एंड सेंटर हिज O. इतना समझा? एनी डाउट इन दिस पार्ट? आई मे क्लियर इट आउट. देन AD इज अ chord.
सर
यस.
सर हम कैसे भी बना सकते हैं ना उसको.
हाँ, AD ऊपर बनाओ नीचे बनाओ, इट डजंट मैटर, बट ए से पास होना चाहिए. ओके, ठीक है. Now another circle is drawn with AO as a diameter. So we have to draw another circle. Let's make another circle. We'll fit just circle over here. दिख रहा है? Another circle has been drawn with AO as a center to cut AD at C, where you have to put C where AD is cut by the circle. Then you have to prove BD is equal to 2 OC. So first we will join BD and OC. You have to join this. Now after joining this, I will write angle ACO is 90 degree because it is inscribed in a small circle. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle. This Angle ADB is again 90 degree because it is inscribed in the larger circle. Larger circle ka diameter is AB, so ADB is 90 degree. I think so this part is clear with everyone. Any doubt?
Sir.
Now we will consider two triangles and we will make that triangle similar. In triangle ACO and triangle ADB. Angle ACO is equal to angle ADB. Test for similarity is angle, side, and side. This is each 90 degree. We have one more angle which can be written as common angle. Angle CAO is equal to angle DAB. Common angle. So therefore triangle ACO is similar to triangle ADB by angle. We had made two triangles similar. Any doubt till here? So if two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. So uski sides proportional mein we can write OC upon BD is equal to AO upon AB, corresponding sides of similar triangle. But as we know, AO is equal to half of AB. AO is a radius of bigger circle, so it is half of the diameter. So I can write AO upon AB is equal to 1 by 2. So this result I can put over here. This is half. So I can write OC upon BD is equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiply, you will get BD is equal to 2 OC. Any doubt in this part? 7th and 8th mein any doubt?
No, sir.
You can show expression also, huh? Okay, you don't have any doubt. Now 9th. 9th question ka diagram already I had drawn for you people. 9th and 10th are both very simple question. See, in the question we have ABCD as a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle at a center is given 160. We have to find the value of x and y and we have to check whether it satisfies the equation or not. We have to prove that 3 angle y minus 2 angle x equal to 140 or not. So let's first find x. What is x? Can anyone tell
Half
me?
of 160.
80 degree. So y will be 100. Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So this is 80, y is 100. So putting in LHS, that is 3 into 100 minus 2 into 80. 300 minus 160, which is equal to 140. That is equal to right hand side. Any doubt in this part? I can explain you again.
Sir,
Yes.
y 80 आएगा ना?
Why?
80 डिग्री आएगा ना?
No, opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means it should adds to 180 degree.
सर पर जो सेंटर एंगल रहता है वो उसका डबल रहता है ना? जो
नहीं,
नीचे रहता है
वो ये वाले एंगल को मैटर करता है क्योंकि ऑपोजिट में है ना, इसका नहीं.
ठीक है सर.
See, AC is formed in this R. So its half will be in the other side. Okay. Now 10th question में Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Chinay, I
why
cannot. What? I cannot hear you. Your voice is not audible.
Why?
What is y? Y is the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, na? So x and y are opposite angle. So if you get x, so y तो easily मिल जाएगा 180 minus 80. What you are asking in y?
Okay, sir.
Try to memorize property. Now next BCD. Here in question, in the adjoining figure, all angles are given. You have to just find BCD, ACB, and show that AC is a diameter. So how to find BCD? Can anyone tell me? We want this angle. It is really simple answer. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we will get 180 minus 65. That is 115 degree. Anyone has doubt in this part? See, now next is ACB. ACB is this angle. This angle is formed in the arc AB. So ACB will be equal to angle ADB because both lies in the same segment. So ADB you can find easily by taking angle sum property of triangle.
45.
45 degree. So let me shade it out. This is 45 degree. Now we have to prove AC as a diameter. So if we see, if we have to prove AC as a diameter, then we already got angle ADC as 90 degree. See, angle ADC is 90 degree. So by converse of angle inscribed in a semicircle, we can say AC is a diameter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Question 11th में we have O is the center of a circle. PBA is 45 degree. Now we want angle PQB is this angle. We want this angle. So first what we will do, we will say AB is a diameter. So angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So this will become 90 degree. Okay. Once this is 90 degree, so by taking angle sum property of triangle,
सर
yes.
सर वो सीम सेगमेंट एक सेकेंड सर वो प्रॉपर्टी है ना सीम सेगमेंट वाला वो ले सकते हैं ना इधर
हाँ वो ये फाइंड करने के लिए बट बिफोर दैट वी नीड टू नो दिस एंगल ना because we want PQB. So PQB lies in which segment? PB. So in that segment we have PAB. So if we find this, you will get as 45 degree. So this you will also get as 45. Is this clear? Now next question. In the given figure, ACE is 43 degree, CAF is 62 degree. You have to find angle ABC. This A, this B, and this C. We have to find these three angles. So what we will do? First, we will say ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. If you can see, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this C angle is the exterior angle which is equal to 62 degree. Angle C is 62 because it is an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Fifth property, property number 5. Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take a triangle ABC, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 60 plus 43, 62 plus 43 is 105. So this is 75 degree. So we can get A is equal to opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So 180 minus 75, that is 105 degree. So this you can get as 105 degree. Now, as we know, C plus B is the interior angle of a triangle whose exterior angle is 75 degree. So 62 plus C is equal to 75. So therefore C is equal to 13 degree. So this will become 13 degree. We are talking about a triangle, this triangle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. Hopefully you people don't have any doubt. If you have, you can, yes.
सर इधर लीनियर पैरेलल लेके भी ले सकते हैं ना एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी?
Yes, you can do. 75 लोगे तो ये हो जाएगा. This will become 105. This will become 105. 62 plus 105 plus B is equal to 180. So B की value you can get. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next. Question number 13 में AB is parallel to DC. Angle BCE is given as BCE 80 degree hai. This is 80 degree. We have to find angle CAD. CAD, this angle. So we all know that BCE is an exterior angle which is equal to angle BAD. BAD is equal to 80 degree. If angle BAD is 80, so this angle will become 55 degree. ठीक है? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, na? Chalo. Now we want CBD. So CBD, for that I have to draw a line. We want this angle. What is this angle? This angle lie in segment or in arc BC. Is it clear? Now in the same arc we will get angle DAC. So this is again 55 degree. Now third is angle ADC. ADC, this angle. So we can say AB and CD are parallel. AD is its transversal. So we have co-interior angle. ADC is equal to 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100 degree.
Sir.
Yes.
सर ये कोइंटीरियर एंगल पहले ले सकते हैं ना, उससे हमें बी एंगल बी मिल जाएगा इजीली.
मिल जाएगा, लेकिन वो बी पूरा मिलेगा ना, ये पूरा मिलेगा. We want DBC. अगर ये तुम पहले लेके 110 प्रूव 100 प्रूव कर देते हो तो दिस होल विल बिकम 80.
सर उससे 55 डिग्री नहीं ले सकते बाद में?
उससे 55 कैसा लोगे? 80 ऐसा भी मिल जाएगा. ये देखो, see this 80 you can even get by alternate angle also. See this is alternate angle, दिख रहा है? I can draw with another pen. ये देखो, this line and this line. This is again 80. 80 तो we can get easily. That is not a big deal. वो तो alternate angle से हो जाता है. But we want DBC, that is 55. So that lies in the segment DC ना. So if we have already, we are finding na, in first part we are finding DAC. This DAC we are already finding. So we can do. Now next question, question number 14. In the given figure, O is a center, BAD, as you can see, it's 75 degree. Chord BC is equal to chord CD. You have to first find angle BOC. So for that, first I have to connect OC. Anyone who can help me with this sum? I want this angle. Bolo, tell fast. See, before starting with this part, we have to understand the property of kite. Kite mein what we have? We have two adjacent sides equal. These two sides are equal. Okay. Now in this, this vertical line divides both angle equally. This angle equal to this, and these two angles are equal. This is the property of kite. You had learned in 8th and 9th standard. So here we can say ODCB is a kite because its adjacent sides are equal. OB is equal to OD, radii of same circle. BC is equal to CD, given part. So if we find out this angle, that will become 150. It is double of angle BAD. So we can say BOC is equal to half of angle BOD, that is half into 150, which is equal to 75 degree. You have to remember all quadrilaterals ki property also for that. Any doubt till here?
No, sir. सर
Yes.
सर वो जो OC है वो हमने ड्रॉ किया ना,
Yes, we had drawn OC.
तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि वो इक्वली डिवाइड कर रहा है.
Yes, kite है, property of kite है वो. That is, you have to write BODC is a kite. So therefore, OC bisects angle BOD. It is a property of kite. Even you can prove by congruency also. If you want, you can prove by congruency. देखो, if you take angle OBCD, so let's say this side is equal to this. ये common by side both triangle becomes congruent. So by CPCD we can say this angle is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle DOC. That means it is dividing BOD into equal half. You can do it by congruency also. Now we want OBD. That is very simple. We can take triangle OBD. In that, if two sides are equal, then two opposite angles are equal. So we can say x plus 150 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 30. So therefore, x is equal to 15 degree. So now OBD is 15 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now third, we want BCD. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are supplementary. So you will get this as 105 degree. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now till that time, I'm making diagram. You can just go through the diagram. You can start finding values. Now BDC. First, how you can find BDC? As we know, BD is a diameter. So angle inscribed in a semicircle is 90 degree. So 58 plus 90. So you will get 32 degree. BDC is 32. Now what about BEC? BEC is the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. If you can see, BDCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are supplementary. So BEC के लिए we can write 180 minus 32, that is equal to 148 degree. Done. Now we want BAC. How can you find BAC?
सर 32 डिग्री सेम आर्क में है
32, same arc. Which arc you are talking about?
BDC.
BC. See, BAC. If you want, you can draw like this. BAC lies in arc BC. This arc. Okay. Now next question में there is some mistakes in the diagram. So मैं draw कर रहा हूँ, just देख लो. Textbook में drawing is there is some error in drawing, huh? This line is not given. BD is not joined. वो joint कर दो BD. A O D. We want to make one more line. And this angle is 32. Marking is also wrong over there. Given is angle CBD is 32 degree. This angle is given as 32. And you have to find angle OBD, angle AOB, and angle BED. So first we need angle OBD. So what is OBD? This angle. Any idea how you can get this angle? See, we know two lines are parallel. So this angle will become 32. So in triangle OBD, two sides are equal, so two angles will be equal. So OBD is 32 degree. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
I am waiting for someone to ask doubt. Otherwise, when everything is done, it will become very difficult for me to explain. Huh?
Sir,
Yes.
why the two sides are equal?
Radii OD and OB are the radii of a same circle.
Okay.
Any line from the center to the circle is radii. Is this part clear?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Now we want AOB. So for AOB, we can find, if you want, you can find this part. So 30, 30, 60, 64, 1, 1, 6. So this will become again 64. Or second is, either you can take exterior angle of a triangle, which is equal to sum of its interior angle. So AOB is 64 degree. Any doubt in angle AOB? Or one more
No.
thing you can do, see, angle AOB is angle at a center in which arc? AB. You can take angle on the circumference as ADB. You can see ADB is already 32. So angle at a center will become double. There are many ways to find AOB. Now we want BED. Is there anyone who can tell me? How to find BED? No idea. Chalo, see.
Sir,
Yes.
116.
How? 116. Why?
Same arc.
1 same arc, but
Sir,
116
58, right?
is yes, 116 is at a center and BEC is on the circumference. So center angle is double the circumference angle, na? So this will become half of 116. That is
Oh.
58 degree. Or you can do by one more way. If you take a triangle AOB, AO is equal to OB. So this will become 58 and 58. So angle BAD and angle BED lie in the same arc BD. That also you can do. But better is angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. This question was quite complicated because there are many lines and it's really complicated question.
Sir,
Yes.
and angle some property in triangle ABD.
No, I am taking in triangle AOB. AOB. ADB में you can take, that is 90, 32 तो भी 58 मिल जाएगा. That also you can take. There are many ways to do. Okay, because you have to say कि angle ABD is 90, angle inscribed in a semicircle, then angle some property, then angle in a same segment. So better. And circle question may come in section A also, huh? Last time section A में ही circle का question था and many students had lost marks over there. I will explain you today कि what was the difficult part in 2020 के question में. It was tricky question. Only few students were able to do that question. Now 17th and 18th. Here we have B, O, D, A, E, C. This question is easy. Angle DAE is yes.
एंगल सी 70 डिग्री होगा ना?
Let me write and this angle is 70. Angle BCD, angle BOD, and angle OBD. Quite simple. BCD is 70 exterior angle, 70 degree. It is an exterior angle, so center angle is twice the circumference angle. BOD 140 and OBD, so you can take a triangle. These two sides are equal. So this angle is x, this angle is x. So we can say x plus 140 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 40. Therefore, x is equal to 20. So I can say OBD is 20 degree. Okay, any doubt?
सर
This is x degree and ये 20 है. This is 20 degree. In question they had given QR is equal to OP. So OP is this and QR is this. We have to find the value of x. So we know OQ is equal to OP, radii of same circle. OQ is equal to OP. So in short, all three sides will be equal. Now first, we can consider a triangle. In which two angles are equal, two sides are equal, so two angles are equal. Then by exterior angle property of triangle, we can get this as 40 degree. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. So again, two sides of the white triangle is equal. So we can say this is 40. So by angle sum property, I can say this is 100. Now we have x plus 100 plus 20, which is equal to 180 degree. Angle in a straight line, x equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60. ठीक है? $19, $20, and $21. Last three questions are left. Then you can start writing. R S PQRS. Angle P is 73 degree. Angle Q is 55 degree. And this whole angle is 82 degree. So now we have to find angle QRS, angle RQS, angle PRQ. Did anyone got any angles?
Yes, sir.
First, let's see what we want. QRS. So QRS is quite simple. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. 180 minus 73, which is equal to 107 degree. Okay, first part. Now what about another RQS? RQ. I want this angle. So this angle we can do by opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral also. 82 plus 55 plus x. Isko you can take as x if you want. 82 plus 55 plus x is equal to 180 because opposite angles are supplementary. So x is equal to 180 minus 80 50 is 127. This 127 na? No, 137. That is 43 degree. Now third is PRQ. PRQ is this angle. What will be this angle? It will be equal to this part. So we can find this by taking 180 minus 73 plus 55. What value you are getting? 52 मिल रही है. Just check. Yes. 128.
Yes, sir.
So if this is 52, this is also 52. Angle in a same segment are equal. Now 20th question. AC is a diameter of a circle. Angle ABC. This angle is 50 degree. Palak, you can mute yourself. I am not able to do that. A, B, C, D, E. Here you have to find angle ACD, angle EDC, angle BEC, and you have to prove BE is a diameter. Is a diameter. So first we will find BEC. No, sorry, first we will find ACB. ACB is this angle, as we know. Angle in yes,
AC is the diameter ना,
AC is the diameter.
हमने
So
गलती से
therefore
DE
angle,
लिखा है.
नहीं वो प्रूव करना है, to prove. This is to prove. AC is a diameter, but we have to prove AB is also a diameter. So ACB के लिए first C is 40 degree because angle sum property of triangle. Now as you can see, this is again 40 degree. Alternate angle. If you check this, what is it? What is this yellow part? It is angle in
Cyclic quadrilateral.
so opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary.
Supplementary.
So we can get EDC is equal to 180 minus 40, which is 140 degree. So this you will get as 140 degree. Now we have to find BEC. So for BEC, we can join BE C.
सर
So yes,
वो एंगल ये 40 डिग्री कैसे मिला?
angle A 40 का है angle A. Angle EAC na alternate angle. Both lines are parallel. This and this lines are parallel. ठीक है. Now we want this angle BEC. So BEC lies in which arc?
Or 50 degree. Arc BC.
Yes, it lies in arc BC. So it is 50 degree. अभी we have to prove B is 90 degree. So we already got देखो angle BAE as 50 plus 40 90 degree. Since angle BAE is 90 degree, so BE is a diameter by converse of angle inscribed in a semicircle. समझा?
Yes, sir.
Now last question of this chapter, 21st. Listen question carefully. O is the center of a circle. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle. AB is the diameter. O is the center. AC and BD are equal. AC is equal to BD. These two chords are equal. Angle AOC is 72 degree. We have to find angle ABC, angle BAD, angle ABD. So first part में we can find angle ABC, that we can find easily by taking a triangle. By taking this triangle. in which we have 90 degree. या तो फिर ये मत लो, don't take this. What you can take this as angle at a center is twice on the circumference. You can do two way. First triangle को shade करके 90 and then you can do it if you want. Otherwise this is the best way to do. ABC is what? Angle at a center is twice the angle on the circumference. So ABC is angle formed. AOC is at a center. ABC is on the circumference. Both are formed in the arc AC. Clear? So ABC is 36 degree. Now we want angle BAD. Can anyone tell me what is BAD? See, I will explain you one concept before you. If you have a chord BD, the angle formed in chord BD is BD. Angle formed in the chord BD is this angle. Okay. Now we have AC. Angle formed in the chord AC is this angle. ये वाला. This angle is, so since AC and BD are equal, so angle formed in the chord BD should be equal to the angle formed in the chord AC, because both chord length are equal. If chord length are equal, then their arcs are also equal. Both arc length will also be equal, na? This was the tricky part in 2021 question. Okay, if both chords are equal, that means both arc are equal. So angle, we say na, angle inscribed in the same arc are equal. We say like this. If we have a triangle, then we say angle inscribed in the same arc are equal. Why it is equal? Because it has been inscribed in the same arc. Okay, but if angle is inscribed in the two different chord in two different arc, and that both chord or arc are equal, that means that angles are also equal. Equal angle subtends by the equal chords. This you had learned in 9th standard theorem, chord property के theorem में. Equal chord subtends equal angle at a center. Okay, so here we can say angle BAD is equal to angle BAD is equal to angle ABC. Both are 36 degree. समझा ये part? Is this clear? Can I go ahead? फिर angle,
Yes, sir.
then I want angle ABD. So I can take this. This triangle. So one of the angle is 90 degree and this we already got as 36. So this angle I can get as 180 minus 36 plus 90. That is 180 minus 126, which is equal to 54 degree. And this question was asked in section A, and most of the student had lost marks over here. So ऐसा ध्यान रखो.
Sir?
Don't. हाँ, yes, tell.
सर वो वापस समझा ना, सेकंड से नहीं समझा.
कौन सा?
एंगल
Second part.
BD. हाँ.
See, we have two arc equal. ये वाला part देखो. दूसरा triangle देखो. I can erase this triangle and draw it again. Okay, here in question they had given AB as a diameter. and one arc as BD, another arc as AC. A, B, O. If these two chords are equal, so angle from the chord BD and angle from the chord AC will always be equal. So if you draw angle from AC, तो AC से angle कौन सा मिलेगा? Starting from A and ending at C. Which angle is this?
ABC.
Angle ABC is equal to, now angle starting at B, ending at D. Which angle is this?
BD.
Is equal to angle BAD. समझा? These two angles are equal. Does anyone want screenshot from this part? कोई भी सम का स्क्रीनशॉट चाहिए तो just tell me. Everyone had taken ना स्क्रीनशॉट कि नहीं लिया हुआ है?
नहीं लिया सर किसी
या
ले लिया
नहीं
ना?
लिया नहीं लिया
ऐसा भी मैं इसका लेक्चर का वीडियो भेजने वाला हूँ, तो उसको पॉज करके ले लेना, बराबर?
सर मेरे
तो
को
हमें
डाउट था
रीजन क्या देना है
किसका?
Equal.
हाँ वो मैं बताता हूँ इधर. इक्वल कॉर्ड सबटेंस इक्वल एंगल ऑन द इक्वल एंगल्स, ऐसा इतना दे दो. ये देखो ऐसा, chords of the same length, listen, see, chord of the same length subtends equal angle. Now you people want me to display answers ना?
सर सर
Yes? बोलो
मेरे को डाउट है
किसमें?
सर सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी में.
सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी में क्या है? एंगल इंस्क्राइब्ड इन अ सेम सेगमेंट आर इक्वल.
सर वो बताओ ना, नहीं समझा.
सी, एक सर्कल है, if you have 2 points on the circle, let's say A and B. So in this segment, if you draw as many as angle, if in this segment if you draw as many angles, all are equal. खाली इतना याद रखो कि end point should be same for the angle. Angle APB, तो center angle change हो गया APB. See, P, A and B will remain always same. Now I will draw with another pen. This is Q is equal to angle AQB. What is the difference? Only center point which is on the circumference. First and last point is the arc. One more angle I will draw.
तो सर कौन सा एंगल इक्वल है, मतलब
ये वाला, ये एंगल, ये एंगल, ये एंगल. This all three angles are equal.
ठीक है सर.
समझा?
हाँ सर.
अभी just take screenshot of all board questions. First से लेकर I will display all questions.
सर आप ग्रुप में भेजोगे ना या फिर नहीं भेजोगे?
नहीं, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, लेक्चर्स का भेजूंगा, वो बाय थर्सडे फ्राइडे आएगा, तब तक यू कैन राइट इट डाउन.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Second, third,
सर एक सेकंड पे 15 सम दिखाना। हाँ सर।
सर एक सेकेंड।
You can write it down all sums at home. अभी ऐसा भी टाइम नहीं बचा है, हार्डली सम 20 minutes are left. In that तो होगा ही नहीं.
सर 20 सम बताओ ना एक मिनट।